Alex here with an event video on the National Association of Public Safety Officers versus the Las Vegas Review-Journal, a case involving a police union's attempt to force a newspaper to unpublish or redact a leaked video. The police union argues that recent laws protecting the confidentiality of officer photographs that are in possession of law enforcement agencies support their demand, asserting that whoever leaked the footage to the newspapers must have done so in violation of that law, and that publication of the video poses a threat to officer safety. The Las Vegas Review-Journal counters that First Amendment principles protect their right to publish content and that the law cited only controls the manner in which government may release and redact confidential officer information. The police union replied that by blurring out the officers' images, the newspaper would be able to both serve the public interest and protect officer safety. The union also demanded a criminal investigation into the source of the leaked video. District Court Judge Mark Denton granted our request to provide comprehensive electronic coverage of the proceedings, the first hearing of which we have already recorded and will publish shortly. The National Association of Public Safety Officers is represented by William Schuller and Nicholas Wiezerek. The Las Vegas Review-Journal is represented by Joel Tasca and Matthew Cate. The City of Henderson filed a motion to intervene, which will be heard Thursday and is represented by City Attorney Wade Goshner. You can keep up to date with our coverage schedule by visiting the media tab at ournevadajudges.com, and feel free to post any questions you have down in the comments below, or you can send us an email at media@ournevadajudges.com.
Statute, which I think are helpful here. One is from the Nevada Assembly Committee on Judiciary minutes from March 23rd, 2005. In discussing this statute, the committee and others present in front of the committee specifically discussed safety concerns of officers in regards to this statute. Mr. Gary Peck, director of the ACLU of Nevada, he stated, and I'm quoting here, "The only other problem has to do with the confidentiality of officers' addresses and photographs. I want to make sure there's no confusion about this. If the newspaper takes a photograph of a police officer, they can obviously publish it. Also, there's a home address issue. I think there's a legitimate concern among police officers and their home addresses not be freely circulated in a way that will put their safety at risk. I have no problem with that and no problem with balancing that with the public's right to know what their police department and officers are up to." Discussion followed regarding safety concerns, and similarly at the Nevada Senate Committee minutes of, the 74th session, 2007, Nevada Senate Committee minutes, May 4th, 2007, there was a guest legislator present, and that was Assemblyman Marcus Conklin from Assembly District number 37, as well as a Mr. Chris Collins on behalf of another local police union. And they discussed the safety concerns underlying the statute as well. Per Mr. Conklin, Assemblyman Conklin, Assembly Bill 50 is a compromise piece of legislation. In the 73rd legislative session,